Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new presentation in Google Slides. So what you want to do, you want to open up your browser, ensure that you head over to Google account. Better off sign into your Google account. Then on the upper right hand side, click on the Google Apps, and inside the list you want to look for Slides. Click on Slides, guys, and it will take you right into Google Slides. Now from here you can either create a blank presentation by clicking on blank presentation, and you can design this with whatever style you want. You can also choose templates from the right hand side if you also want to choose something as well. So you can go ahead and you can choose something. So let's say I want to choose this one. I can click on that, and I can go ahead and I can just select whatever templates I want. I can go ahead and click on insert all slides, and it's going to quickly insert those slides into my Google presentation here, and you will see that I now have it. And of course, another way is to simply go ahead and choose templates from the home page here, and you can easily find more templates. I know it's a bit collapsed here, but in order to see more templates, just simply click and the down arrow where you have the templates or the template gallery at the top, and at the top right, and once you expand that, you'll have a lot more templates that you can choose from. So let's say I want to choose this one. I can click on this book report, and it's going to go ahead and open up with all of those pages for that report. And you can modify this, you can change the color, and you can do quite a lot with this template to make a presentation for yourself. Once you're done, if you're all set and you want to and you're finished with all this, you go ahead and you can show a presentation if you so want to do that, or if you want to save this, download it or whatever, you can go ahead and click on file, and here you have download or share. You can go ahead and you can do that. You can download it as a PowerPoint presentation or whatever format you want. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.